Welcome back to my channel, man. So today I have a Chevy Spark in front of my house, and that's because C8 has a problem with the convertible top. Put some screenshots of pictures of the error message. Basically, the convertible would not open or close, and I tried a battery reset, which is basically removing the negative terminal in the front trunk where the battery is located, for about 10 minutes and then reconnect, and that did not resolve the issue. So unfortunately I had to take it to the dealership. So it's been in Sterling McCall Chevrolet, Houston, Texas, since last Thursday. They were able to get me in quick. They were awesome people, and so upon diagnosis, it looks like a short circuit of some sort, and they were able to fix it. So I'm excited to pick up the C8 again. So let's go get it. I am not too thrilled about the Spark, but hey, I have something. It's better than nothing for me to get by and stuff, because C8 is my daily and I don't have an alternative car. Need to get by. So appreciate the hookup from Sterling McCall Chevrolet, Houston. And now it's time to fill out the tank. It's an enterprise agreement. I didn't even know that. So basically, GM, and I don't know if it's for all cars, but when your car is out, they, or for service, they take care up to $44 a day through a rental company, so you can have the mode of transportation. So unfortunately, the enterprise that I was going to had only Spark available. So, and they can only pay for, or they only pay for Chevrolet vehicles. So I had to get a Spark, and the only fee that I had to pay is the taxes, and any tolls or anything of that sort, that's on me. But other than that, any other rental car charge per se is taken care by Sterling McCall Chevrolet for me, which was awesome. I had to tell y'all, man, I was kind of nervous about how long it's going to take to fix and stuff. I'm glad it was short. It was about a 4-day wait. I'm really thankful that it was short, but I did not want my car to sit in the dealership for weeks or months waiting for parts or waiting to be diagnosed and all those type of stuff, right? Because you may think like, okay, it's taken care of by warranty, I'm not incurring any additional out-of-pocket expense, but you are in a way, because when you look at the warranty, or when you look at the car depreciation, like for a year or 2 years, or over the course of time, any unused time of your C8, you're basically, that's lost warranty, that's lost depreciation costs, and all those
in a quarter mile,
type of
continue
things.
straight.
Just take my C8 for example, right? I got it for $105 before tax, $111 after tax and stuff. And yesterday I was checking the price, and it was a drop by 12 to 15 grand through KBB in depreciation. And let's say if my car sits in the shop dealership for like 3 months, that's
Turn right
like
onto Grand Parkway Frontage Road, Riley Fuzzle Road.
usage that did not happen, that could have happened if I had my car properly, right? So that amounts to some dollars, if you know what I mean. And that's how I look at it, right? So I'm either way paying a price in one way, shape, or form if my car is in the dealership. So I did not want that to happen. I'm glad that that's not the case. So okay, so picked up the C8, convertible, let me show you. Okay, so the convertible is working as expected now. Go to back. It makes me so happy. Convertible is working fine. The car is back. I am excited.